For me, AI is like electricity or the steam engine. Everybody knows that after the steam engine, the world looked completely different. And we will be like that after the massive rollout of AI technology.
The number one thing that supply chain leaders should be doing right now is just getting started. We don't need to sit back and wonder around the world of tech stack and is it appropriate, is it not appropriate? Just do it. Do something, because if we're not acting now, you're going to be left behind.
There's no use in trying to do one test after another over many, many years. So at some point, you really have to make a decision. You are in or you're not in. And if you're in, then you have to create scale.
Running a procurement function, especially one that is as big and complex as 3M, you cannot do it with brute force and spreadsheets anymore. That's going to fail. So I think the most important thing to do is really to assess what you need to get to where you want to go and start deploying those solutions as quickly as possible.
I see a lot of companies just doing AI for the sake of AI. You need to be intentional. What is the problem that you're solving for? And based on that, what are those challenges where you can layer technology on top to solve those issues and create value for your colleagues and for your customers?
You have to be willing to put in the time and deeply understand, but why? What are the customer needs? What's the problem we're solving for? And not be okay with just the surface answer. And I think that curiosity combined with that insatiable why, the ability to work hard, the ability to play well with others, that really will drive the transformational skill set that you need to have the impact you want to for the future.
Manufacturing transformation on the manufacturing level with better machinery, better systems, all that is connected very much to data, because if you don't have data, you can't really measure. If you can't measure, you can really manage change. So it has been key for us the past few months and few years to build that capability end to end to understand our business through data, and now making use of the data to make it better.
Attracting talent in some of these emerging economies is a really great opportunity for the large global companies. The brands, in many cases, are extremely attractive to recent graduates from some of the great universities in these locations. If you have decent data sets and interesting problems to work on and an opportunity to grow a career, I think it's going to be an opportunity to build a great global talent team around the world.
The only part I would add is that don't do it alone. When you think about these tasks of creating stacks, it's partly a business task for sure, but it's very much reliant on the technical skill sets of your IT partners, your data science partners. So when you think about envisioning this stack, think about how you do this together, not apart.